Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we will analyze the FII DIS data with prior days, and we'll see one day's data what happened because the Nifty has moved 500 points and Bank Nifty moved 1300 points. So we'll see the big player who has made a money in derivatives and what they have done in cash market. So see, in one day time frame, Nifty we have opened huge gap up and it's a pin bar kind of a candle it has formed in one day. Now let's check in 5 minutes. So I have applied center pivot range. Narrow CPR is already stating it is going to be a trending day today, but what happened after a huge gap up, the market booked some profit on the first 5 minute candle. So whole day what it done? So it was in a very small consolidated phase only because a huge gap up that was sustained because of a good positive global news and also a infusion of cash in our market. So we have seen when there was a huge gap up, it went high and the 50% of the market's high today, it sustained there only. It has not even broke the 50% of the first 5 minutes candle. And do you think who has made the money in these options? So let's check that. So let's take April 17th expiry and we'll take a at the money call option of 23,300. So see guys, when market went up, it opened here 174 points, it went up and it started falling. So there was a very good profit booking in the first candle. Later whole day it has booked a very good profit booking we have seen. Later at 3 o'clock we have seen a good call buying option in 23,300 call options, and we have seen this is a narrow CPR, so it has not broken from the upper part of the narrow CPR, it has reversed. But overall if you check this call option, people have not made in intraday any single money, even they have lost in this strike price, whereas the person who has bought on the pre-closing day 82, they have made a double of its profit. And I also want to add a key note. When India VIX in 5 minute India VIX, when it is falling, it has fallen 19% today, 3.98 points, so it is at 16. It means the option buyers will not make money, the premium will collapse soon. So this is how the big player carry forward their option buying strategies. So now we'll check who has booked the call options profit. Mainly FII have booked 2.33 lakh contract because they were having 4.32, now they have 1.98, so they have unwinded their longs and also they have unwinded their put also. So cost to cost maybe slightly profit they have booked on this, and we have seen they have increased their future index long also by 3% here. So slightly positive they are becoming now. Today we have seen FII have purchased in cash market of 6,065 crores, whereas DII sold for 1,951 crores. So this is a very positive news, the infusion of cash in our market by FII now. So next, who has lost? Client. Client are the retailers who were having a call writing positions of 3.63 lakh. They have unwinded 1.72 lakh contract. So a good number of loss has been incurred to the client now. Still they have 1.91 lakh of call writing, whereas in put they were having 4.96. Now they have unwinded 3 lakh of contract in put writing. So here they have made a profit. The person who has hedged call versus put, maybe they have good profit in put side and they have unwinded call now, but still they're having a 1.89 lakh of put writing now. So equal number of call versus put they have now, and they still have a 57% of future index long. What about proprietor days? See here also proprietor has booked a very good profit on futures. They have unwinded 6% of futures long, and in options they have booked the loss on call writing contract, unwinded 61,000 contract. So they have booked the loss on call writing, but they have increased their put writing now by 25,000 contracts. So this is how we analyze the big players positions in derivatives, and in upcoming days with a very huge good volumes on a single direction we can assume the way the market can lead. But as of now, see, these contracts are very less, so directional move is very radical to think about it.